Things are really happening in the garden. Here are some tips for success. Want to promote green lawn growth and support healthy soil? Use a lawn food like Yates Dynamic Lifter, which is packed with the natural goodness of chicken manure, fish meal, blood and bone and seaweed. The lawn will love it and the earthworms too. Have you got weeds like Bindii, Clover and dandelions popping up in your lawn? To get the most common broadleaf weeds under control in cooch and kikuyu lawns, you can treat them with a concentrate spray mixed into a sprayer or apply using a watering can. Don't let insect pests ruin your veggie patch or flowers. Aphids, bugs, caterpillars and whiteflies are some of the most common pests during the warmer months, sucking the life out of plants or chewing holes in leaves and tomato fruit. As soon as you spot the pests or their damage, use a broad spectrum spray to protect your plants. For more gardening advice, chat to our experts. Happy gardening!